So, did you get the stocking stuffers all in there?
Yes, of course.
And the cookie. Make sure to take a bite out of it. And the milk, just throw it out. It's been sitting out for a couple of hours now.
Only half the milk. It's gotta look like he did it.
Shh! Did you hear that? Are the kids awake?
Nah, don't worry, they're asleep. Wow, this is gonna be such a great Christmas. I think we got them what they wanted.
And are you sure she wanted the Hulk Hogan doll?
Yes, she told me.
I mean, it's just that Kate's 4, and I've never seen her watch wrestling before.
Oh, I have.
Shh. Okay, well then, I think that's everything.
Well, let me go get the camera. I want to take a picture of this.
Just don't wake the kids.
Don't worry. I won't. Oh, Jesus, I tried!
Damn it, Ron! How can you do this? It's Christmas. And the dog's drinking the water now.
She's thirsty. What are you gonna do?
Put some water out for her, for Pete's sake. I mean, you put the milk out hours
Where's
ago.
the
Couldn't you
freaking
put
mop?
water
Where's
out
the
for
mop?
the dog?
Where's the mop?
Well, the mop's downstairs in the laundry room. Where do you think the mop is?
Where's the mop? Where's
Jeez,
the paper towels?
do I
Paper
have
towels.
to do everything?
Did I get them at Target last week? Did I get the Target?
No, you
paper
got them at
towels.
Sam's Club last
Oh,
week.
yeah,
and you put them in the
24
garage.
pack.
Go
in
and
the
get
garage.
them, please.
All right, I gotta get the boots.
I'll get the dog,
No,
for
I
Christ's
stuck the
sake.
water. Oh, Jesus H. Christ.